Brad, good afternoon. So, naalang ko ipangutana regarding aning Biblia. So, my first question is, why do you not believe that the Bible is the Word of God?
I said, as I said, that the God of the Jews or the Elohim, the gods, does not exist. The Bible cannot be the Word of God. When you read the Bible, it is the writer that speaks. He only introduces God as the speaker, like what he had done to Moses. He introduced Moses as the speaker. It is the word of the writer or the word of man, not the word of God. The doctrine that their God is a spirit, it has no flesh and bones, cannot speak. They cannot dictate, or the gods of the Jews cannot dictate to the writers what was to be written. And the expression or the phrase that says, God said, and Moses said, that phrase means that the writer speaks, not the God. It is the word of the speaker. And the Bible has no proof that the gods of the Jews or the Elohim of the Jews exist. The Bible does not prove that there is a God. Only in the form of a story of the writer. The gods of the Jews as an intelligent being, this is intelligent being, the will become in existence to an accurate history. So the Bible inaccurate history, false prophecies, and inconsistencies that will prove that God of the Jews does not exist and that the Bible is not the word of that God of the Jews. The Bible is only imposed by the preachers that it is the word of God. But actually, when we speak of God in the Bible, it is already a myth. They cannot uh, poet or give a proof that God of the Jews exists. So I can say the Bible is not the word of God.
So, you mean to say all stories inside the is on the product of the human mind who wrote.
Yes, the word of the right.
um, Verses in the Bible to support that it has false and inaccurate.
Then history. When CE. He was defeated, and he was known at the time when Cyrus conquered Babylon. But in Daniel 6:1, Darius the Mede also became king of Babylon. In reality, it is Cyrus the Great alone who conquered Babylon. There was no Darius the Mede. So that is inaccurate history. And in contingency, the passage, the verse in the Bible chapter is Satan led David to count men of Israel, or to number Israel. Eh, Samuel, 2 Samuel 20, 2 Samuel 24, uh, times. So that is inside number, based on that two chapter. Or if it is an intelligent being, he must be accurate in taking the information. And also the practice was practice Ezekiel 29:11 that Egypt will be uninhabited for 40 years. But it did not happen in Egypt. Also in Isaiah, the prophecy of God has when told in Syria, Ahaz would win, and the sign is given in 7:14 of Isaiah that virgin would give birth to his son. And they will not then interpret, give an interpretation. But if you read the record says, before the child good, good and bad, the king of Israel and Syria will be defeated. But the prophecy was reversed. Ahaz who was defeated.
Okay, Brad. Thank you for enlightening me how the Bible tells us more in false information. Thank you, Brad.